How to Mastering Financial Literacy for Early Retirement Bliss. Welcome back, everyone, to our YouTube channel. And today, we're diving deep into a topic that's on everyone's mind: mastering financial literacy for early retirement bliss. We all dream of retiring early, living life on our terms, and achieving financial independence. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps and strategies to make this dream a reality. So stay tuned for some valuable insights. But before we dive into these facts of financial world, make sure you give this video a thumbs and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Segment 1. Defining financial literacy. Before we embark on our journey to early retirement bliss, let's start by defining what financial literacy is. Financial literacy refers to an individual's or a community's ability to understand and effectively manage their financial resources. It encompasses a range of knowledge, skills, and behaviors related to financial matters, allowing people to make informed decisions about their personal finances. Financial literacy involves understanding concepts and practices such as budgeting, saving, investing, borrowing, and financial planning. Key aspects of financial literacy include: 1. Budgeting. Creating and maintaining a budget to track income and expenses, ensuring that spending aligns with financial goals and priorities. 2. Saving. Setting aside a portion of income for future needs, emergencies, and long-term goals. This may involve having a savings account, emergency fund, or retirement savings. 3. Investing. Understanding different investment options, risk tolerance, and the power of compound interest to make informed decisions about growing wealth over time. Financial literacy is all about understanding and managing your finances effectively. Segment 2. The importance of early retirement. So why aim for early retirement? Well, it provides you with the freedom to pursue your passions, travel, and spend more time with loved ones. Early retirement holds significant importance for many individuals who aspire to achieve a higher quality of life and financial independence. Here are some compelling reasons why early retirement is a goal worth pursuing. 1. Freedom and flexibility. Early retirement provides the freedom to live life on your own terms. You have more time to pursue your passions, hobbies, and interests without being bound by a traditional 9-to-5 job. This flexibility can lead to a more fulfilling and balanced life. 2. Improved health and well-being. Extended working years can be physically and mentally taxing. Early retirement can allow you to focus on maintaining and improving your health, reducing stress, and enjoying a more relaxed lifestyle. 3. Time for travel and exploration. Early retirement offers the opportunity to travel and explore the world while you're still young and energetic. You can cross items off your bucket list and create lasting memories. To achieve this, you must prioritize your financial literacy. Segment 3. Assessing your current financial situation. The first step towards early retirement bliss is to assess your current financial situation. Assessing your current financial situation is a crucial first step in achieving financial stability and working towards your financial goals, whether that includes early retirement, buying a home, or paying off debt. Collect all your financial documents, including bank statements, credit card statements, investment account statements, pay stubs, tax returns, and any other financial records. This involves understanding your income, expenses, debt, and assets. It's crucial to have a clear picture of where you stand financially. Segment 4. Setting financial goals. To retire early, you need clear financial goals. This could include a retirement savings target, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Start by thinking about what you want to achieve with your finances. Your goals can be short-term, within a year, mid-term, 1 to 5 years, or long-term, 5+ years. Common financial goals include buying a home, saving for retirement, paying off debt, or taking a dream vacation. You may have multiple financial goals. Prioritize them based on importance and urgency. Some goals may be essential, such as paying off high-interest debt, while others may be more aspirational, like saving for a luxury vacation. These goals will serve as your roadmap towards early retirement. Segment 5. Creating a budget. Now let's talk about the importance of creating and sticking to a budget. Begin by identifying your financial goals, both short-term and long-term. This will help you allocate your resources effectively. Further, categorize your expenses into categories like housing, transportation, groceries, utilities, entertainment, savings, and debt repayment. A budget helps you manage your money efficiently, control spending, and allocate funds to your financial goals. Segment 6. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are key elements in your journey to early retirement bliss. Saving involves setting aside a portion of your income for short-term or near-term goals and to cover emergencies. Savings provide you with liquidity and a financial safety net. Investing involves putting your money into assets with the expectation of generating a return over the long term. It helps you grow your wealth and achieve long-term financial goals such as retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education. Saving ensures you have a financial cushion for emergencies, while investing helps your money grow over time. Segment 7. Reducing debt. Reducing debt is another critical step. High-interest debt can hinder your progress. To reducing debt, start by making a list of all your debts, including credit card balances, personal loans, student loans, auto loans, and mortgages. Note the outstanding balances, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments for each. Determine which debts to prioritize based on their interest rates. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, should be tackled first, as it can quickly accumulate and become a financial burden. The sooner you tackle your debt, the faster you can redirect that money towards your retirement savings. Segment 8. Diversify investments. When it comes to investing, diversification is the key. Determine your risk tolerance based on your investment goals, time horizon, and comfort level with market fluctuations. Your risk tolerance will guide your asset allocation decisions. Diversifying your investments can help reduce risk and potentially increase your returns. Segment 9. Continuous learning. Financial literacy is an ongoing journey. Stay informed about financial news and keep educating yourself. But why continuous learning matters? Adaptation. Continuous learning enables individuals to adapt to changing circumstances, whether in the workplace, personal life, or society as a whole. Career advancement. Lifelong learning enhances career prospects by keeping skills and knowledge up to date, making individuals more valuable to employers. Personal growth. Learning fosters personal growth, self-improvement, and intellectual stimulation. Problem solving. Lifelong learners develop critical thinking skills and problem-solving abilities that can be applied to various situations. The more you know, the better financial decisions you can make. Segment 10. Stay disciplined and patient. Achieving early retirement bliss is not a sprint. It's a marathon. Stay disciplined and patient on this journey. Clearly define your goals, both short-term and long-term. Having specific objectives provides a sense of purpose and direction, making it easier to stay disciplined. Develop a well-structured plan that outlines the steps required to achieve your goals. A solid plan serves as a roadmap, keeping you on track. Recognize that meaningful achievements often take time. Be patient with the process and avoid rushing toward your goals. Keep your eyes on the prize and stick to your plan. So there you have it, the roadmap to mastering financial literacy for early retirement bliss. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about making consistent, well-informed financial choices over time. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve early retirement and enjoy a life of financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video on my YouTube channel. Until then, keep working towards that early retirement bliss.